Hi, this is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, and for the purposes of today's video, also WRTI 407, because again, today we are going to be doing some GMRS content, and this is going to be related to the Baofeng UV-9 Golf. One thing that I failed to do in almost every radio review, and my business partner gets on me about it, but I often fail to mention whether or not we manufacture a radio pouch for the particular radio that I might be reviewing, and we definitely do for the UV-9 Golf. Because the UV-9 Golf shares the same case size with both the UV-9R and the GT3WP, of course the pouches that we manufacture for those radios work perfectly fine with the UV-9 Golf. The case size is identical, and the radio pouch that's applied to these orders are identical for all three radios. In fact, how we have the UV-9 Golf currently listed is on the same product number as UV-9R. Just mainly because the nomenclature is so close. They're the same product number. If you already have that pouch, you're already set up and good to go, but if you're looking for a pouch for your UV-9 Golf, look no further than Specter Gear. And as I said, there will be a link in the video description for you to find the pouch, but let me briefly talk about the pouch. The Specter Gear radio pouches are manufactured from 1000 denier Cordura nylon. The pouch body, the outer, is 1000 denier Cordura nylon. It has a 420 denier pack cloth liner. At the bottom, we have a number 0 drain hole grommet. You'll also note that we have this strip of heavy-duty 1.5-inch wide elastic that allows the pouch to expand and contract based on the equipment you might or might not have bolted onto your radio. In the case if you're running without a speaker mic, this fits just fine, but it does allow the pouch to expand to accommodate the wider width of the radio for the speaker mic attachment. On the back of the pouch, and I'll talk about the closure method towards the end, but on the back of the pouch, the back face is 2 layers of 1000 denier Cordura nylon with 2 layers of 1250 ballistic nylon sandwiched in there. So you got a nice rugged solid piece of equipment, and obviously if you look at the stitching, we go overboard when it comes to the stitching. We want to make sure that this pouch survives whatever rigors that you put it through. On the MOLLE compatible versions, our system features a Specter strap system wherein the attachment straps are removable and replaceable in the field should you suffer a snap failure. It's an unlikely event, but it does happen with snaps. The closure mechanism is a bit unique. We do not have any kind of side release buckle that's fixed to the front of the pouch. You see a lot of radio pouches that feature that. The problem with that is, though, you got a hard piece of hard plastic hardware bolted to the front of your pouch, and that's going to transfer any shock on the front of that pouch into the face of the radio, and it could potentially damage your front panel. We have a soft system, which it's not going to add any additional damage should you have any impact on the pouch, and in fact, because it's so thick and squishy, it might even provide a little bit of shock resistance, a little bit of protection to that front panel, in fact. That, of course, like I said, we have the elastic that goes through the channel, and the closure is, of course, fully adjustable. There's a piece of Velcro in the back here if you need to adjust the actual height or give yourself a little bit more room on this attachment, the attachment cords. You can adjust that with the Velcro. So it's pretty straightforward, but let's go ahead and put the radio into the pouch and show you how it works. So we open up the Velcro primary closure, and it's really just as simple as inserting the radio into the pouch. And oh, you know, something I'll mention real quick. The stud arrangement for the belt clip, you're going to want to take that off. If you have that on there, the radio will go into the pouch, but it's not going to ride very effectively in there. The way I use all of these anyways with a pouch, I don't really find that belt clip to be particularly rugged, so probably best you just leave that in the box. But just go ahead and press it in all the way to the bottom until it stops, and then of course we flip this around. It's kind of hard, once again, messing around with this tripod here, but you just close her up and you are good to go. As you can see there, fits in perfectly. And I'll talk about the speaker mic maybe in another video. This isn't obviously the best speaker mic. It's a Baofeng factory unit. I've got something a little more interesting coming for this. But that's it in a nutshell. That is the Specter Gear MOLLE Compatible radio pouch. And again, I will provide links in the video description. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and click that link and know that all Specter Gear products are manufactured right here in Visalia, California, in the United States. And that's really about it. So have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening. This is Scott, Kilo Sierra 6, Delta Alpha Yankee, also known as WRTI 407, and we are clear. Have a great day.